Hi everybody, it's Russell here. Let's go and find some of those top ASX performers currently that are rocketing up in price. Let's take a little bit of a closer look. Before we get going here, let's just get through our disclaimer statement. Please note our license numbers there. In addition, please note general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. Please speak to your personal advisor for personal advice. As always, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Right, with that said, let's cut straight to the chase. So over here, straight away, in VectorVest, we've got this very powerful indicator called CI, Comfort Index. If I right click and view the stock analysis report here, and what I can do here is if I scroll down to where there's an image of a couch, there we are. How comfortable is that couch as such? CI is an indicator which reflects a stock's ability to resist severe and or lengthy price declines. It's based solely upon a stock's long-term price history. In this case, SIG, ticker code, Sigma there, it's got a 1.89 out of a scale of 0 to 2, which is an excellent score. So straight away, I can see the smoothest stocks in Australia right here. So here we go. We've got all of them listed over here. I'll just move, I've got a recording icon, which you can't see, but I've moved out the way so I can see. So what have we got? SX2, APZ, GDG, etc., etc. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go and have a look at the earnings profiles. I want to make sure I've got positive earnings profiles whereby I've also got a smooth rising left to right price pattern. So for example, if I look at Southern Cross here, it's got a negative earnings. Now this is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. So this is proprietary to VectorVest. We look at historic, current, then we build in the forecast. What I don't like about this one at the moment is, yes, price is going up, but we're seeing a leading forecast here on earnings starting to drop away. So there I go, well, you know, I know that eventually as earnings continue to fall, the share price will follow. Yep. And what I do know is that over time that a rising earnings always is associated with a rising share price, at least the forecasted rising earnings. So here, SIG, let's have a look. And let's make it jump out just a bit more here. And let's change the style here. And I'll just make it jump out a bit more here. And I'll push OK. There we go. Close it out. All right. So the earnings are going up. Yep, good. That's what I want to see. Up go the earnings. Up goes the share price. All right. Now, can we get ones that are better? It's not too bad. Let's have a look. Positive earnings, positive earnings, positive earnings, positive earnings. Let's go and graph these ones here. Let's see if we can get one that really jumps out. APZ, I really like that profile. Very smooth left to right. So very high comfort index score. And look at that. Look at the pattern there. If I right click, change the style. Let's make this jump out a bit more. So really make it jump out. There we are. Okay, so there we are. Up it goes. And look at the earnings profile. So, you know, you've got rising earnings here with a rising share price. This one jumps out. Moving on to the next one here. A little bit more volatile. Still going in the right direction. It's fairly smooth, upward trending. A little bit bumpy here. Beautiful set of earnings. This one's not too bad. Let's have a look. I really like the earnings profile on Capricorn Metal here. Great earnings profile. A bit of bumpiness, but it's actually not really moving that much as a percentage. So up it goes, up go the earnings. Yes, you know, so this one jumps out. And this one here, wow, look at these earnings for Evolution Mining. All the mining companies at the moment are really in the money at the moment, aren't they? Beautiful set of rising earnings. This has had a fairly smooth left to right price pattern, but what concerns me currently is there's a little bit of a pullback here, and I'd want to wait to make sure it resumes its trend back up. So that's the power of VectorVest. If you're not already a subscriber, take out a trial out VectorVest for 30 days. Go and find those stocks with a high CI score and make sure that they've got a positive EPS earnings profile, and then graph them and have a look and see what you think. The quickest, easiest way to do it is to go to Viewers, Stock Viewer, sort it by CI, and then just make sure your EPS is positive as well. And away you go. You can graph them. You can do this each and every day. This is a snapshot as of 23 June. If you take out a trial for your subscriber to VectorVest, do it as of your time now. So maybe you're watching this video several weeks later. Go and do it as of your current time now. Which ones jump out to you? Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.
Vector.